Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everyone, in episode 6 of Power BI PL-300 exam preparation series. This is your host, Aapka Consultant, and today's topic is storage modes in Power BI. I've already put out 5 episodes in this series. The link is in this video, it will pop up right here, so you can watch those videos. And before any further ado, let's quickly jump to see the question. So yeah, this is a scenario based question based on storage modes. Here is the question. Imagine you are a Power BI developer developing a sales performance dashboard for a large retail company. You are creating a Power BI data model as in the following picture. This is the picture where we have 4 tables: client, transactions, calendar, transactions per day, and there are relationships between these 4 tables. As you can see, there are one to many between all four, right? So you can pause the video and check the diagram, and let's move to the next slide. So yeah, so your task is to choose the most suitable storage mode for each table in your data model, considering the following requirements. First is refresh frequency. So for each table, we should have different refresh requirements, ranging from infrequent updates, which is client, to near real time updates for transactions table. Okay. The second is visual performance. You want to minimize the load times of visuals in your reports and dashboards, ensuring a responsive and interactive user experience. So this is the second requirement. And the transactions per day table is used in 2 ways: as a pre-aggregated summary for daily trend analysis, which is needed for fast performance. Second, acting as a bridge to filter detailed transactions when users drill down, which needs real-time sync with transactions table. Okay, these are the two requirements uh, in which transaction table is currently used in the model. So which storage mode should you select for each table to meet these requirements? So yeah, just come back to the picture. So basically, this transactions per day table is, as you can see, is acting as a bridge. It is connecting with client, as you can see, and is connecting with calendar. So client and calendar are connected via transactions per day, right? Similarly, transaction is connected with client, transaction is connected with calendar. So this is how the connections are made. Now these are the options. I'm going to pause the video here. So out of these options, which one is the correct one? So yeah, times is up. Let's see which is the correct answer, and it is option C, in which transactions table should have direct query mode, transactions per day should have dual, calendar and client are import. So just directly you can easily identify from the previous slide, because transactions per day is a table in which transactions are happening in real time, right? And as it is mentioned on the refresh frequency uh, requirement as well, we want real time update. So this is confirmed that transactions uh, per day should be direct, transaction should be direct query, and calendar and client are something that we this contains the historical, or the static data. So hence it should be import, and transactions per day can be dual, because it we want it to be flexible, right? So this is how the options are this is how this option is correct. So now let's go to the explanation. You can pause this video here to go each and every explanation why each option is correct or not correct, right? So similarly, you can pause the video here, and this is the last slide why other options fail, right? Because in option A, it places the dimension table in dual mode. These static or infrequent updates don't benefit from dual mode, right? Because ultimately the ask is that we want to improve the performance for the model. So hence these options are incorrect. So yeah, these are the resources which I am currently leveraging. First is the Udemy course which I am taking on Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst. These are the two articles specifically for this type of question, which is on storage modes. So yeah, let's quickly see the articles. First on Microsoft Learn, second on a blog on storage mode. So yeah, let's quickly go to the article. So as you can see, this article talks about different Power BI storage modes. You can go through this article. I will provide the website in the description as well for this video. It talks about the different storage modes, starting from import, direct query, live connection, dual and push. So there are five type of storage mode, and what are the factors you should consider when choosing a storage mode. So all these things you should go through it, right? And what is the different again detailed explanation of each storage mode. For example, in import mode, you should use it when you have CSV and Excel file data flow is there, you are connecting via web, you are connecting to social media, and basically the data is imported from multiple sources, right? That is where you should use import mode. And in direct query, when live queries are sent to data sources, live connection, users identity from all these servers, right? Dual, we are basically used in composite model where we are leveraging both direct query and importable both modes. So yeah, this article in detail. So this table is very helpful as if you go through this table for different features, for example quick sites and Q&A feature, it is frequently asked in PL-300 exams which mode has supports which features. So this table is very important. You should go through this table, understand it, and and the conclusion. So that is article 1. Now go to the other article, which is from Microsoft Learn website, which I should recommend you to first learn from this Microsoft Learn article about this by while preparing for this exam, right? And then go through other resources. And it talks about semantic models, which we have three: import, direct query, and composite. And obviously similar to the other article, it also elaborates on different types of storage modes and detailing in hybrid tables. It also gives with an example. For example, this archived data can be imported via import mode, incremental refresh also import, and then direct query. As you can see, it is it is updating in real time. So that is how this is a snapshot of the query, right? So hence these modes are defined here. And also as I've explained in earlier video, you should also go through these notes and snippets which are embedded in this purple color, so that you are well versed with each and every question types coming in this exam. So yeah, this is about this topic. Unfortunately, there is no uh, Power BI desktop video I can provide to you right now because it requires a premium and pro license. Hope you will understand. But looking forward for day 7. And yeah, this is about this topic on storage mode. Please go through these articles and yeah, go through the video and the links which I will provide in the description. So yeah, hope to see you back on the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.